Solve linear equations with fractions. Substitution method. Problem. Solve the following system of equations using substitution. Y equals 2 over 3 x minus 5 over 2 and x plus y equals 7. Step 1. Write the system. We have two equations. Equation 1. The first equation contains fractions. And equation 2. X plus y equals 7. Step 2. Identify denominators and LCM. Least common multiple. This is equation 1. The denominators are 3 and 2. The LCM is 6. Step 3. Multiply the entire first equation by 6. Since the LCM is 6, we multiply both sides of equation 1 by 6 to eliminate the fractions. When we simplify, we get 6y equals 4x minus 15. Step 4. Solve for x. Now we isolate x. After rearranging the equation, we get 4x equals 6y plus 15. So, x equals 6y plus 15 divided by 4. Step 5. Substitute into the second equation. This is equation 2. X plus y equals 7. And this is the isolated x from equation 1. Substitute x into equation 2. 6y plus 15 divided by 4 plus y equals 7. Now clear the fraction by multiplying everything by 4. So 6y plus 15 plus 4y equals 28. Step 6. Solve for y. Combine like terms. So 10y plus 15 equals 28. 10y equals 13. So y equals 13 over 10. Step 7. Solve for x. This is the isolated x from equation 1. X equals 6y plus 15 divided by 4. Now substitute y. After further simplification, x equals 57 over 10. Final answer. Solution to the system. X equals 57 over 10 and y equals 13 over 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.